Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion. So if you like these kind of videos, remember to like this video, subscribe, and yeah, just push the notifications button just to view more of my videos as well. So stay tuned for more. I'm gonna share with you two recent purchases that I've just gotten, and I have already used one of these items, but I haven't literally unboxed the other one. And if you see the colors, I mean, definitely there's an Hermes there, and there's also another bag, and it's a Chanel. So I got this Chanel bag literally just before the price increase. Let me share with you my thoughts on why I've decided to go with a reseller instead of purchasing the bag through the boutique. So here it goes. I've not unboxed this yet and I'm really excited. And this is actually my very first purchase that I've gotten from this category. I'm looking forward to opening this with you guys. You can probably tell what it is. Actually, you know, when I saw this in the boutique, right, I wanted some Orient sandals and I just can't fit, you know, I can't find any Orient sandals in my size. And this happens to be a size 40, and surprisingly enough, this is able to fit me. Let me just share with you the name of this sandals right here. So this sandals is actually called the Santolini Sandals, and I got it for 1,150 Singapore dollars. It is literally full leather and it is in perfect condition, and it even has like a strap. I think the only difference about it is that between the size 40 Orans versus the Santorini, I feel that, you know, this actually fits a lot more for like a broader, wider feet, because my feet is a little bit wider at the top, but I'm actually like a size 40, kind of like from the lengthwise. So I personally feel that, let's say if you've got like wider feet, definitely opt for a Santorini. So this is really flat. There's definitely no heel, probably it's like just 1 cm high. This is how it looks like at the back, and it is really very comfortable. I mean, it's literally like a classic piece, and there's just one piece in the store. I don't see myself wearing this shoe in the next 1 month or so, because I do need to just get it resoled first before I actually wear it. So I mean, if you're considering this pair, I knew already from the start that I would definitely need to spend a little bit more money just to get the soles resoled so that it could actually last longer. I can definitely see myself using this so often. It is actually in silver hardware as well, something to note about this. This year, I've recently just gone a little bit more frequently to Hermes instead of Chanel, and I think I'm a little bit more open, it seems, to, you know, explore the Hermes brand. If you were to ask me the same question last year, I probably wouldn't even think about wanting to explore. I think the main reason is because of the crazy price increase that's just happening in Chanel, and it's just too often. It's just increasing so often to the point where, you know, I'm like, man, I am not gonna go through another price increase anymore. I feel that it just doesn't justify the cost of me just parting ways with like a few $1,000 more just for the same bag. And that's the reason why I've decided to kind of sway into Hermes. Like, I mean, I'm probably just one of those right now that just feels, you know, like this is something that really bugs me. Totally understand that for, you know, people who are really rich and they have just tons of money to spend, you know, price increases just doesn't matter. What I love about Hermes are the scarves, the belts, some of the shoes and sandals, if I could actually fit into those. I'm really eyeing like the nail polishes as well as like the lipsticks. So I think eventually I'm just gonna go into that realm. I love the homeware, and I think it's just selected pieces that I love. It gives a bit of a mature vibe overall about the brand, and I would love to be offered a Birkin or a Kelly in the store instead of going through the resale market. I just want to experience that, you know, for the first time at least, like how it's like getting offered a bag through the Hermes store. So I don't mind the whole waiting game. At the end of the day, I love the brand and what it stands for and the heritage and the exclusiveness that it gives. And yeah, I mean, to each their own. The next thing that I want to reveal with you that I just got just before the price increase in November is my Chanel medium classic flap in beige clair. And this is an older model. This is something that I've been wanting in my collection, that I've been lusting over for the longest time. Literally just before the price increase, I knew that the resale market prices are just gonna go sky high, and there were a lot of people that were looking and eyeing for this bag as well. I got this through an authentic reseller, a local reseller in Singapore, and it's actually Entropy certified. It doesn't come with a receipt, and I'm totally fine with that. I also didn't get this from the boutique because I've always asked about this bag in the boutique and it never really stocked this item. It's such a rare piece to get. I've already used this piece already, so it's actually a 21 series, so it's about 3 to 4 years old, and it's still in amazing condition. Like, absolutely love, you know, the caviar on this bag, and it's still in almost perfect condition with just a little bit of scrapes here at, you know, the top, but it's completely amazing. You know, there's really no scuffs at the edges as well, and I definitely paid a premium for this bag. I mean, definitely it didn't cost like $13,000 like how it is costing in the boutique right now if I were to get it, you know, get a medium. This costs about 10,900 Singapore dollars through the resale market right now, which is still lesser than what I would pay when I buy it through the boutique. I'll show you 2 other classic medium flaps that I have in my collection, and I think I've just got Chanel purse piece. No more classic flaps medium in my collection. I think I'm just over it. So I've just got this piece. It's actually I just got this piece like a lambskin piece this year as well. So got this way before the price increase, probably like in August that I got it for. So this is a Chanel medium classic flap in rose gold, and it is just a true beauty. I've only used this out once, literally, and yeah, it's still in amazing condition, but I do definitely need to baby this bag. And this is my only lambskin in the classic flap, and I think that's it. Like, I'm not gonna get like another lambskin for a classic. So this is the other holy grail that I have. I tend to prefer the medium size more because I could fit a little bit more inside. And the third bag would be the bag that I got like 3 to 4 years ago, and this is in the grey, or like almost like a bluish tint of grey in champagne gold hardware. And this one is still in immaculate condition. Can you imagine when I got it like 3-4 years, like 2 years ago, it was like probably around 8,900, and now it's like 13,100 plus. This is the most affordable Chanel classic bag that I have because I got it like around 8,900 to 9,900-ish, and this is like 10,900. And I got this literally in September for 11,500. To me, I just feel like it's just not worth the money to spend and dump $13,000 currently in 2021 on a classic. No way. Ask me whether I've reached complete Chanel purse piece. I would say yes, especially for the classic medium flaps. For me, I would definitely still purchase from Chanel, but you know, some of the seasonal pieces I love. Some of like the mini rectangulars or like the mini flaps or the mini square, I would still go for that because it's definitely a lot more affordable as compared to like, you know, dumping it on like a $13,000 medium classic flap. Definitely seeing myself swaying away from Chanel and going towards other brands. Like, I mean, there's a few other brands that I really love that are really understated and underrated. It would be Fendi. Love Fendi right now, love the whole collection, love the leather, love the heritage, love the quality. It is absolutely amazing. It's just, it doesn't really hold its resale value very well. The other brand would be Hermes. I know that someday I would want to own a Birkin or Kelly, and I don't mind playing the whole waiting game as well and building that whole relationship just to get a bag. But I do honestly buy pieces that I really love within the collection. So I hope that you find this video enjoyable, and it's just my own personal opinion on why I've decided to kind of switch brands as well, and what I think about like the whole price increase. Definitely looking at buying and purchasing more items from other brands, even though I really love the bags coming from Chanel. Consider the resale market. I mean, for those folks who feel like, you know, you don't know whether you're going to get an authentic piece or not, always go for perhaps full set items, you know, the ones with that comes with the receipt, or it's entropy trusted, or it comes with the serial card. And definitely do your research first, right, before you actually get like a pre-loved piece, and definitely get more pictures before you actually decide on the bag. You definitely have to go for a trusted reseller. Alright, that's it guys, and thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, remember to hit like and subscribe and push the notifications button as well. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!